Good afternoon, everyone. Councilman Baldonegro here. I want to talk about two things real fast. Bonsall Park North, 59th Avenue, northwest corner, 59th Avenue, Bethany. A lot of us call it Chicken Park. The park where the Jets at, that we just call it that. There was a big unveiling they remodeled it. Did a lot of really good work there. It's beautiful. We'll show you some pictures of the park when that's been completed. We had a big unveiling, a ribbon cutting not too long ago, and I'm sad I wasn't there. I'll get to that in a second. Why? But for all my friends, Rick Flores, and Anthony, and Miguel, and Ernesto, and Hope, and Erica Guetta, rest in peace, and Rocky, and Mario, and JT, and Güero, and Chino, and I know I'm missing some, and Chavo, and all the guys we used to go play basketball with. We used to go and have a lot of fun over there. Play basketball, play racquetball, play volleyball. When you have a chance, go check it out, man. They did a beautiful, beautiful job. It doesn't look the same. The racquetball courts are gone. There's another basketball court. They redid everything. It's amazing. So take your time to stop on by, drive by. We'll have some pictures posted below of what it looks like now. It different from what it used to be. So if you can, that'd be great. Now, that is in my district, and I wasn't able to be there, and I'll give you the reason why. Back in November, we had a big unveiling for a renaming of a park, and one of my friends, Matt Madrid, Vietnam veteran, a war hero, got his ribbons after 57 years. Well, on that day, he had people from Zacatone, Arizona, come and support him. And so that day they asked us, would you go support us in February for an event we have to honor Ira Hayes for the raising of the flag, the anniversary of the raising of the flag at Iwo Jima. That day we said, of course we will. So we made plans, and initially, Chicken Park reopening was not on this date. And then they ran into a problem, and they had pushed it to that date. And I was like, oh my gosh, I feel bad, but I made a commitment to the veterans I was going to be there in Zacatone. So I went to Zacatone that morning, Saturday the same morning. It was 37 degrees when I got there, warmed up to 50. It was cold. It was probably one of the nicest parades I've ever seen for support and emotional and spirit, if I can explain this. So Ira Hayes is a Native American, and he was one of the few Marines that raised the flag at Iwo Jima, the very famous photo. They told the story on the stage, and there were, I believe, 19 groups of Native Americans from 19 different states came to Zacatone for this parade, from Washington, Wisconsin, Oklahoma, Florida, and they were all over, like Texas, New Mexico. 19 of them came for this event. And Zacatone is very, very small. That's how important this event is and how important this man was to the community, any community. It was beautiful. There was a couple groups from Glendale, a historic society military vehicle group. A friend of mine, her and her husband own it. They were there. They had a flyover with some jets and some helicopters, and it was a beautiful, beautiful event. I'm glad I went and was able to witness it. And I took pictures. We'll share some pictures and videos of it. It was a really, really pretty event. I'm sad I missed the opening of the park, but I'm glad I was able to witness that of the parade for Ira Hayes and the anniversary of raising the flag at Iwo Jima. It inspired me. I think we need to start having some Veterans Day parades. I believe in the past we had in the past. I think we need to start having them again. I'm gonna look into it. They're not cheap. They're not easy. It's a lot of hard work. But maybe if I get enough people to help, maybe we can really do a nice small parade to really honor our veterans the way they need to be honored. I'm going to put the word out there soon so that we can maybe get a small group or a subcommittee, just kind of see what we can do with that. And I would really like to do that for the veterans in the community. I really think they need to have that kind of respect and dignity restored to all of them, men, women, all of them, and their families too. So some of them didn't make it back, and I want to make sure that we do it the right way. So Chicken Park's open. Link to below, pictures and film. I'll put the pictures below with from the Ira Hayes anniversary of the raising the flag at Iwo Jima. And it's getting warm out there. Please stay hydrated, drink a lot of water, and until next time, be careful out there.